How to use text to speech on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see second option is accessibility. So click on accessibility. Now here you will see second last option is read to speak. So click on read to speak. Now here so click on speak screen. So if you want to use text to speech, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use text to speech on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.